Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today is day 7 of our W3 School Python series. In today's video, we will see the concept of assigning multiple values to variables. In previous videos, we have seen Python introduction, how to install Python, syntax, comments, variables. In the variables, we have variable names, assigning multiple values, output variables, global variables, and some exercises. Yesterday, we have seen variable names. Now, today, we are seeing assigning multiple values to the variables. So let's get started. Now we are seeing Python variables. In that assigning multiple values, many values to multiple variables. So first concept is assigning many values to multiple variables. We will see that Python allows you to assign values to multiple variables in one line. For example, here x comma y comma z equal to, these are the strings, orange comma banana comma cherry. In previous videos what we have seen, x equal to John, y equal to Sham, like this we assign only single values, but in Python we can assign multiple values to multiple variables like in one line. X comma y comma z, in one line we can assign the values like this. Now we can print x, print y, print z. We will see practically later. First we will see all the concepts. Make sure the number of variables matches the number of values, or else you will get an error. So what they are saying is, if x comma y comma z, we are giving three variables, so we should give three values. If we give two values, one value, then we will get error. So number of variables should match number of values. One value to multiple variables, and we can assign the same value to multiple variables in one line. Example, x equal to y equal to z equal to orange. We can assign in this way also. So x value, y value, z value equal to orange. Now if we print x, y, z, then we will get orange, orange, orange three times. We will see practically this example later. And now unpack a collection. If you have a collection of values in a list, tuple, etc., Python allows you extract the values into variables. This is called unpacking. We will see list tuple concepts later, but we will see what is unpacking now. Unpacking a list. Fruits equal to apple, banana, cherry. This is the list. We will see the concept of list later. So x comma y comma equal to fruits. We are assigning this list to three variables, x comma y comma z, and we are printing x, y, z. We will see this practically later. Yeah, this is the concepts we are seeing today. Now we will see practically. First we will see assigning many values to multiple variables. We will see this example. So click on try it yourself. Here x comma y comma z equal to orange comma banana comma cherry. We are assigning multiple values to multiple variables in one line. So click on run, and we are printing the values x comma y comma z. See, we are getting orange, banana, cherry. So we are assigning orange to x variable and banana to y variable and cherry to z variable. In this way we can assign the values. Now we will see second example. One value to multiple variables. Now click on try it yourself. Here x equal to y equal to z equal to orange. We are giving one value to three variables x, y, z, and we are printing. Now what will the output we will see. Click on run. Now we are getting orange, orange, orange three times. In this way, we can give one single value to different variables like this. Now we will see unpacking concept. We are seeing this example. fruits is the list, and x comma y comma equal to, we are assigning that list to 3 variables and we are printing. We will see this example practically. So click on try it yourself and click on run. We are getting apple, banana, cherry. Here we are assigning this list to 3 variables, and in that list we have 3 values, apple, banana, cherry. So each value is assigned to each variable, and later on we are printing x, y, z. So we are getting apple, banana, cherry in the output like this. This is the concept of unpack a collection. Today in this video we have seen assigning many values to multiple variables, one value to multiple variables, and unpacking a collection. I hope everyone clear with these concepts. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In tomorrow's video, we will see output variables concept. This we will see tomorrow. We will see one by one concept daily. We will cover all these concepts. I hope everyone liking my videos. If you like these videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.